make a rocket balloon out of only pipe cleaner and balloons. Let's get started. First, get a balloon. And second, let's retry that. Second, get some pipe cleaners. Open the pipe cleaners up and take 4 pipe cleaners. Just like that. And then, now, blow the balloon up. Just like this. And then, add the 4 pipe cleaners onto the tip of the balloon. Like this. Tie it to the edge of the balloon tip. Just like this. So it has 2 straight lines. I'm going to grab another pipe cleaner and then go on the tip of the balloon's pipe cleaner, and start, making a ball, make a ball on it. Ball on the tip of the balloon. I'll be back when I finish it. Guys, I put 2 balls on each of the tips of the balloon. And so this is how it works. When you blow the balloon up, and then when you let go, the air would push down and start going up. And since the weight is on the bottom, like a normal balloon, it will just go around and fly. But this, it goes up because the weight is right here on the bottom. So the balloon will go up and up and up. And then once this runs out of air, it will start coming down. That is how that will work. Now we have to just go test it outside. So we are outside. We are going to be testing this balloon. Hopefully it will go up. Let's see. So I'm going to fly the balloon, and you guys are going to be able to see where the balloon goes. I don't know. I think the sun is blocking the view. So blow the balloon up. It's a little hard, but okay, I blew the balloon up, and now it should work, and it should fly up. 3, 2, 1. Whoop. So this is a small balloon. It won't captive a lot of air, but if you use a giant balloon that makes a lot of air, that gets a lot of air inside of the balloon, well then it could probably maybe go up 2 stories. I tried this before a few 7 months ago. I had a giant balloon, and then it went all the way up on the top of my roof. So yeah, this thing works. Thanks for watching.